Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix TikTok search not working. And here's how it is done. First, open TikTok and tap on Discover at the bottom left. You will see a search bar at the top where you can type anything. The results should display top videos, users, sounds, hashtags, and more. If you are unable to search, it means there is an issue with the TikTok app. Here are some fixes you can try. Restart the app. Close TikTok and reopen it. Lag out and back in. Tap the profile icon, bottom right, then the three lines top right. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap lag out. Then log back in to see if the issue is resolved. Clear app data. Open your device settings, scroll down to apps and select it. Search for TikTok and select it. Tap force stop, then go to storage and clear app data. Note, this won't affect your account, but it will delete drafts and cache files. Once you have done that, reopen TikTok and the search function should work properly. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix TikTok search not working. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.